SmartCredit Honest Review. Watch before using. In this video, we're diving into SmartCredit, a credit monitoring and financial management tool designed to help you stay on top of your credit score and manage your finances more effectively. SmartCredit stands out with its key features like credit monitoring, score tracking, and identity theft insurance. It also offers a unique tool called Score Tracker, which lets you see how different financial actions, like paying off debt or opening new accounts, will affect your credit score. This is a game changer for those serious about improving their credit, as it provides a clear, proactive way to make better financial decisions. SmartCredit is ideal for people who want an all-in-one solution for credit health and personal finance management. It's not just about monitoring your credit score. This platform gives you personalized action plans to improve it. Another notable feature is Money Manager, which links your bank accounts, credit cards, and loans so you can track all your financial data in one place. This is particularly helpful for anyone who feels overwhelmed by managing multiple accounts or wants a clearer picture of their overall financial situation. One of the biggest advantages is its identity protection features, which include $1 million in identity theft insurance. This level of protection is critical in today's digital world, where data breaches and fraud are all too common. You'll also receive alerts when there are changes to your credit report, helping you catch potential problems early on. However, SmartCredit isn't without its drawbacks. The platform's subscription can be a bit pricey, especially compared to some free alternatives. And while it offers excellent credit tools, some users might find the financial tracking features a bit basic if they're looking for something more advanced. In summary, SmartCredit is a solid choice if you're looking for a comprehensive credit monitoring tool that also helps manage your finances. It's especially useful for people who want to improve their credit score and protect their identity. But if you're on a tight budget, it might not be the best fit. Ultimately, it offers great value for those serious about their financial health.